What's up guys, J-Star Films, and we're back with another video. Today we're doing our first unboxing. And then so like basically the short story is we're unboxing a gimbal today, a smartphone gimbal. The whole like dope stuff that you do like this. I really hope it turns out well though, because like for the past few years I've been like really doing a lot of handheld shots. So like most of the shots you see handhelds, and then obviously I've become good at it to a reasonable extent, but like nah, it's not so reliable. And then I don't have a tripod in school. I have one at home, but then trust me, if you see my setup, like oh my god. But then today we're doing it. So this video is sponsored by my dad. Oh my god, it's sponsored by my dad. Thank you. Thanks to my dad, thanks to my mom. And here is the package. I'm sure you wonder how I did that, but yeah. So here's the package. Oh shit, you see? This is the package. It's still inside the case. Stuff now, I'll just like put a video somewhere to show you what like gimbals do. Well, I really say this thing came so fast. Oh my god. Bye. Oh my god, you guys, like, see this stuff. It looks so good. AXNEN 3-axis, like I made sure it was 3-axis, and I checked the reviews and they looked so nice. So now I'm going to use to cut this. Yeah, I use my nails. ABS glass fiber, give some specifications, dimensions, folded state, blah 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 blah. It says 7 to 9 hours. We'll test that, I guess, after I give it a charge. Later on we're going out to test it with another YouTube creator, Sharas Chronicles. Smell of new stuff. I feel like I'm just like overreacting. Wow, this is very it feels premium, I can't lie. Or I don't know, maybe I don't know. Okay, so quick guide. Honestly, I read the guide, so you guys don't chat. So the first part, it's actually this one's very important. So like I'll basically use it as my new tripod because like again, now why not? So okay, so then you have normal type C cord. I have like 5 of these right now because I bought this and then this comes with this. Finally, the package himself. You guys should see first before I do. Okay, so feels so, oh my god, it actually feels premium. And oh my god, you guys, oh my god, I think I meant to release this. And then you look it back here. Yeah, you look it back here. It shows like, can you see the padlock sign? I hope this is in focus. I really pray so. Pray my headspace is even right. Ooh, so the company is AXNEN. I mean, it doesn't, you know, let me first attach this to it. So it's just like easy screwing on. I believe you guys see where I'm going. Like, see now, like, do you get it? Just it says correct operation. Mount the mobile phone and just balance. Long press the power button for 3 seconds to start gimbal. Turn on Bluetooth, find the name HQ3 blah 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 and connect. So it even has like this like 3D joystick stuff. It's like, oh my god, I'm so happy. I believe this should be the power button at the back. Yeah, I don't really expect it to come on, so let's go and give it a quick charge and we'll continue the video. Oh, before I go, let me show you guys my old setup so that you understand why this is such a big deal. Oh my god, so this, ladies and gentlemen, is what I've been using. So I literally keep my phone at the other side here, like this. I keep my phone here, and then I support it with this thing with rubber band so that it stays in place. So here we are with our new. So I don't even think I need this box anymore. This box contains my cubes. Hey, focus. Contains my cubes. So keep that here. Sorry, laptop. So this will be the new position of the goat. And then you can see like a portrait landscape. Oh come on now. Why would I be happy? You should I throw this away? I don't want to be dramatic. I don't. Yeah. So see you back later. Let's go. Yeah, sure. It's gonna be happy. Yeah, this is actually very dramatic.
You guys want to buy cake because John Sass doesn't want to buy cake.
Yeah, you guys.
By myself. As an
It's
independent woman that I am.
This guy. Hot boy.
The something has expired. The activation was
No, you are. See, what do your subscribers say?
He said
yeah. I said to you.
He knows, though. He knows.
Anyway.
what is this?
I saw it on TikTok one time. I'm going to follow you, yeah?
Yes, it is.
Nice. So you don't have to move your phone around.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So boy.
Yeah, turn back. Yeah. So this is a run test, and let's go. Okay, I think obviously I'm running. Yeah. Jago, what the heck? Okay, so here we are, 99 steps in my school. So I'm going to run up these steps, like I think the first 3 or 4, and then what's going to happen is the first one I'll use the PF mode, then I'll use the HL mode, then I'll use the FPV mode, then eventually I'll use the GL mode on like the other ones, then I'll do handheld, then I'll just like swap through that. So that's going to be the order of this. So let's go. So first in PF mode, so I'm not locking anything, I'm just like automatically going here. So 1, 2, 3, go. Let's see, I'm like skipping 2 steps to like add the effect. So that's the first mode. Then the next mode is HL mode. Let's reset this and let's go. Okay, and then the next mode is FPV. Okay, so FPV now. Stabilize this a bit and okay, and then finally the GL mode. I'll use the GL mode in PF mode, I guess. I'll explain what all these are later on. Okay. Then I think the last one is going to be handheld though. So let me put this off and we're going to do this handheld. Okay, so the way I normally do it. So okay, yeah, I guess. And then here we are. Ooh, beautiful view. And I'll just put this back on and I guess stable now. Let's see how that went. Okay.
Okay, we are so good at faking laughter.
Now you wishing you were with me, living life so trill. Oh, what the fuck was you thinking? You probably wasn't thinking.
Fremzy, hi. How's your day? Fremzy, you're a hot boy. Yo.
Guy, please don't let him go outside.
Sure.
Don't let the babe see it.
Sure.
And the wives.
So one game we got this thing.
Ah. Which game is that? Hey!
Let me see.
Which game is that?
Just him out, please. Scare, why you video?
Which game is
Go
that?
on, get out.
Wait for me.
Okay, what are you doing? Yeah, you go on, guy.
Guy, that video was so smooth, I'm telling you, guy.
Okay.
All you need to do that in the end, you shall have the MU type of flow. Shall not MU in this case.
Wow, is it my TP or what?
Yes. It was this game. I did the one guy, do you know?
Sure.
No, we keep finish this one.
No, what's about this? Really what's about this song? No sex now, right? So you just there for studio them. Job freestyle.
Wanna see my type. That my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice.
Hello, still thinking of why to come to this university. Follow me to the house.
Monday through Sunday, yo, baby, I'll love you one day. Baby, will someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
These are some of our 200 level students. Say hello to Oyi. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
This is so technical, like for no reason. Michelle.
Let her run work 'cause you shot. The whole lucky when you hot.